Okay, this is the software that I used to make the design. It's called Drawer Rings 11. All right, it's finished with the first color, which was white, and it's asking for red now. I'm making a towel with the flower that I use as logo, King Arthur Baking Company. I made this up in my software. I got the logo online. It was a nice clean copy. I took it into my software and I auto digitized it. And I did it in the Janome format. This machine reads the Janome format, and it tells me there's actually 30 thread changes with repeating the same colors: white, gray, red, black. Raise, press the foot. See what happened. Oh, all right. The next color is a gray. Okay. Total of 32,000 stitches. When you do towels, you have to put a water soluble. I use sulky to hold a nap down. It sews through the solvay like a membrane, and it stays under the stitches. It holds the nap down. That then you rip that off, and you could wet the towel to get the remainder. This particular machine is very large format, 7.9 inches by 11. That's big. It's Janome MC500e. Raise presser foot. All right, it's looking for black. missing a rubber band to hold this at the angle that it's at. So otherwise it lays down flat and the spool works its way off the shaft. You know, they should have had an angle built into it, in my view. But this is what works. The total stitch out is now 41 minutes, counting down. I forget what it was initially. It's about an hour. Ordinarily, I don't use this sulky Solvay with this grit. The one I normally use is clear, but I can't find it. I got so many rolls of stabilizer here, and I got 2 rolls of this. These are the things it's good for. Well, it says embroidery, so that's what we're doing. This cuts jump stitches. That's what it just did. I couldn't find this. On a towel. I make Neapolitan pizzas. I have a pizza oven that goes up to 850 Fahrenheit. And the pizzas that I make, they're like one-person pizza with a thick crust. And I make my own sourdough starter, and I mix sourdough in with the flour instead of using regular dry yeast that I used to use. I made one last night. It's nice. And it's a very good flour. It's a beautiful machine. It's commercial speed, 860 stitches per minute. I have a 15 needle, and they recommend you run around that speed, 850. So this is a commercial speed. And also, you got to lubricate this like a commercial machine. There's a lot of spots to lubricate. They have the maintenance manual for it. It shows you all the places. But you can see how fast this goes. Janome is a very good machine. I think I got this 3 years. some of the things I embroidered. That's from a JPEG of my wife. She was in her 30s. I normally use a commercial Panasonic. P900, P800, another Janome, very strong machine. This one here, it's a heavy duty. And then I got a commercial machine, leather sewing over there, hidden. A lot of labor in changing the colors back and forth. But this is what I want, so I can't bother. See, I'll show you my flower collection while this is working. Here's my library corner. That's a leather recliner. This, I designed this. This pulls out of the way. I sit down over there. I put this on my lap. I got the keyboard. Then I bring this in. And it's a 32-inch, and there's the computer down there that works it. All right, here's my sourdough rising. And here's my pizza oven. And this is my King Arthur flour. And this is my sourdough rising. This is a heating pad. It maintains about 85 degrees. That's my commercial machine. And this is my computer that I use for all the things I do. Okay, that's a black. That's a black. Still has to finish the lettering. The I's missing, and author's missing. What could that be? Well, we had to do the black ring. I think after the ring it's going to go do the letters. See, after this it is 6 and 4 white. Now I don't know how the extent of this. Alright, did the jump stitch and then it's now it's doing the Alright. Come good. Just one wash will make it nice. This is really a good towel. It's a good quality. Berkeley Jensen, 100% cotton. Yeah. Let's look at the tag on it. How about that? Yeah. Okay. So anyway, that's the story. That's how I made my custom towel.